Namaskar. Welcome to my new yoga class. Today we start with a balance exercise. Bring your weight to your right foot. Your arms are straight parallel to the ground and lift your left leg up. Turn ahead and watch over your right arm. Your body remains straight. Don't bring your weight front. But at the same time, try to lift your left leg as high as you can. Take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, and bring your foot down, bring your arms down. And now we change. Step on your left foot, arms parallel to the ground, strong, and lift your right leg. Look above your left arm, and with body remaining straight, with your right foot, try to reach your right arm. Try to lift it as high as you can. Take a deep breath and then release the position. Come to the left side of the mat and with your right leg make a big step to the right. Rotate your left foot 90 degrees, right foot facing front, arms straight. Now holding your back straight, bend to your left leg and keep your arms straight. Look up, and if you want to make this position more advanced, bring your left hand to the floor, but make sure your spine is straight. Take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, and move up. Bring your arms down and change the position of your feet. Right foot 90 degrees, left foot facing front. Bring your arms up parallel to the ground and bend right with straight spine. Try to look up. Again, if you want to make this position more advanced, you can place your right hand next to the floor. But make sure that both your legs are straight and your spine is straight. Breathe deeply. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and with new inhalation, move up and bring your arms down. Place your arms on the mat on both sides of your foot, bring both feet back. Put your knees on the floor, chest on the floor, and lie down. Put your thumbs inside your fists and bring your fists under your hips. Or you can keep your palms facing upwards. Now breathe in and bring your legs up as high as you can. Keep breathing normally and stay here. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and bring your feet down. Now grab your elbows and put your head on your arms for short relaxation. Breathe in, breathe out, bring your feet together Put your fists under the hips, and as you breathe in, bring your legs up again and keep breathing. Breathe in, breathe out, bring your legs down and place your hands next to your chest. Push yourself up into the cat position and then bring hips on your heels. Relax. Bring your hands close to the knees and sit up. Bring your weight to one side, bring your feet in front of you. Now place your left foot to the inner side of your right hip and bring your other leg over the knee. If this position is not comfortable for you, then you can keep your left leg straight with foot looking up. Now with your left arm, hug your right knee and twist. Look above your right shoulder. You can close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale, and come back to the middle position. We'll change the position of the legs. If you are comfortable with the full position, it is better. Make sure both your hips are on the ground. And now with the opposite arm, hug your bent knee and look above your left shoulder. If you want, you can close your eyes and focus on the breath. And now inhale, exhale, and come back to the middle position. Bring your feet together, place your arms behind your back, and lift your hips high. Make one straight line from your knees to your shoulders. And bring your hips down. Now lie down on the mat on your back. Bring your legs up, bend your knees, and grab your feet from the inner side. Bring your whole back to the floor. Bring your shoulders to the floor. And try to bring your knees closer to the mat. Take a deep breath, release your feet, bring your legs to the floor, and lie down for a short relaxation. Close your eyes and relax your whole body. Bring your full attention to your legs and relax them. Both arms, lower back and upper back, belly and the chest, neck, head, and all the muscles of your face. Whole body is fully relaxed. Take a deep breath. Move your fingers, move your toes. Bring your arms behind your head and stretch. Smile with all the muscles of your face. Turn to your right side. And then sit up. Bring your palms in front of your chest. Interlapse your fingers. Breathe out. As you breathe in, bring your arms up, stretch. Breathe out to one side. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out to another side. And breathe in, stretch up. Put your palms together. Touch your forehead. Touch your heart. Namaskar.